Hello, my beautiful souls. So yesterday was Triple Eight Portal, and I did this reading, but I forgot to make a video on it. So today I'm making a video. So basically, I literally request you at this point of time to not leave this reading halfway because I had channeled this message. Yesterday I did the reading, and today morning when I woke up, after waking up, just after 2 seconds, 2 3 seconds, I instantly kind of got a message that it just came into my mind instantly that act like your future version, act like you already have it. And I knew that this message is for the collective, not just for me. So the message which is saying that you have to act like your future version it is actually a literal message that you have to take from this reading. I would request you, even if you do not resonate with any of this reading, but this is something you have to, because it feels like a directly channeled message from the universe. So basically, in this reading, I have like it's a very straightforward reading that you are entering into a phase where you are being asked to completely be honest with yourself because you have been lying to yourself. You have been kind of putting yourself in a cage. This cage could be of a wrong relationship, of the wrong people, of the wrong job, of the wrong place, anything it could be, but you have been putting yourself in the wrong places and you have been kind of lying to yourself. You kind of know that this is not right for me, but you still kept on doing that thing. You still kept on talking to that person. You still kept on doing that job. It could be any of those things, but you have been putting yourself in the wrong places. And this is the time where you have to break free. That is a cage you have around, and you are not able to understand that this is a cage. So you have to break free from that cage and let yourself out, be free, because you have the potential. You have the potential to change your life. You have the potential to achieve the utmost, right? But you are just running unconsciously. You have been running unconsciously, and through this message, if this message is finding you, please know that you have to change yourself. You have to get out of that cage, and you are the reason why you are inside that cage. And you have to ask some of these questions like, what am I actually choosing, and what am I tolerating, and what am I continuing simply because it is familiar, and what is no longer aligned with the person I am becoming. Because you know your potential. Even though you know your potential, you know what are you capable of, you're still choosing to be stagnant. And that is your problem. That is not the problem of your boss, the problem of your partner. It is none of those. It is your problem because you are choosing to be stagnant. So you have to ask all these questions to yourself. You have to break free from a cage. I'm getting a feeling of, somebody is in a cage and they are not able to properly breathe. So that type of energy, right? You gotta have to get out of this cage. And then this cage could be mental also. This cage could be mental also. You are not trusting yourself enough. You are not believing yourself enough that you can actually do it, you know? And you have to ask yourself like, what is this actually showing me? Instead of asking why is this happening with me, you have to accept that whatever is happening because of your choices, because of your mindset. And so instead of asking why is it happening to you, you have to ask what it is actually showing you. Whether you have to remove wrong people from your life, whether you have to remove that job, any of those things can be, but you have to introspect yourself, know where are you lagging and fix it. Because this portal is the most powerful portal of the year, and this is a phase of transformation where you can literally transform yourself and you can come out of that cage, right? And you have to basically break down the structure that is no longer supporting you. The tower is giving that energy that you have the potential to break that structure. to break it, completely break free and become a completely new person. Like it's like a metamorphosis for you. Like you are completely trying to become a new person, and you have the potential. You can do that. You can very well do that. Like you are in a metamorphosis phase. You are going to be in a metamorphosis phase. If you are not, you're going to step in that, and you're going to change your life, right? And this cage could be around money, could be around success, could be around love. And you are caged by thinking that, whether I'm capable of, whether I'm worth it, whether I deserve this. Oh my god, maybe I'm just wanting too much. You are so much in that energy. You have to stop asking these questions to yourself, whether do I actually deserve it. You have to tell yourself that you deserve it. I can literally feel this energy of a person is literally caged inside 1 feet jail. It feels like that, that the person is also not able to breathe. Please break please break that cage. You have to break that cage, then only the transformation is going to happen, right? You have been like, it's like you have been living the according to someone else, like someone else's definition of life. You saw somebody and you're like, oh, I like that kind of life, and I also want to live like that. So you are kind of choosing to live like someone else, and which is which is actually not good for you. You have to introspect yourself. You have to get to know yourself. Okay, you have to allow yourself to ask, what would I build if I were starting from a completely new foundation? Like you have to demolish your old identity completely, which is that identity which is keeping you stagnant, the identity which is making you feel that, I'm not good enough, I'm not deserving enough. Demolish that identity. You have to step into the new version of yourself. It is more about mindset. It is literally more about mindset. And the next thing is that, and this 10 of pentacles, this is a very beautiful energy. And so this is stability. Like you will end up with a stability in your life. So 10 of pentacle basically represents the long term security, prosperity, family, legacy, stability, and building something that actually lasts. So when you actually do all this metamorphosis, then the universe is giving you such a beautiful message that that you don't have to, like, you will not create some temporary situations out of it. Like you have been given a beautiful job, you have been given a lot of money, but it has been taken away. No, 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 it's not going to be like that. You are going to be given the permanent success, but for that you have to accept to change yourself, accept to demolish your old identity. You are being asked to build something sustainable. This could be related to your finances, your career, your home, your relationship, your sense of security, any of those things, whether the legacy that you want to create. And some of you, this is a reminder that abundance is not just about receiving more money. It is about someone who feels this, who feels safe holding it. Like I also talk a lot of things about nervous system. Maybe this is the thing which is coming from my brain to tell you, but you have to gotta feel yourself, like you have to feel deserving of having the financial abundance you want. I can sense that you actually want a lot of things out of your life, but you keep on asking yourself, whether do I deserve it? Do I even deserve it? Am I even worthy of it? What do I need to do in order to deserve it? You even do not worry about the actions that you have to take in order to get that desire, but you keep on asking yourself, whether do I deserve it? Whether am I worthy? And you keep on looking for the answers whether you are worthy. And you don't get the answer. Like you just don't get to know who's gonna tell you whether you are worthy. Who's gonna tell you? Your parents, your peers, your friends. Who's gonna tell you? You simply have to accept that you are worthy. That's it. That's it. So the at the end, I would just like to say that you have to just be honest with yourself. Where are you currently standing, and what is actually stopping you? And you have to release completely what is not, something which is not aligned with you, something that you feel is out of your identity, not your current identity, out of that identity which you want to become. Release that part of yourself, and you have to build something that actually lasts. All right. So if you have resonated with this reading, I would request you to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel in order to claim this energy, because we need some energy exchange to for you to harness this beautiful energy. So, and also share it with as many people as you can, because this is such a beautiful energy of abundance, of purity. So just spread the positivity, and yeah, subscribe to the channel so that uh, I mostly don't ask you to subscribe, but if you actually want to feel this energy in your life, you have to give something, like you have to reciprocate the energy, right? So thank you so much for watching this video, and comment 8888 on in the comment section. Again, that is an energy exchange. So yeah, if you like this video, comment down. Okay, thank you so much for watching.